when making offers. So I don't know. Did you teach it to Voss? When making offers.
I taught Chris Voss.
Voss.
Most audience don't know who that is.
So if you never read the book, Never Split the Difference.
Never Split the Difference.
Former FBI hostage negotiator. Basically, he was in charge for half the world of hostage negotiations. Highly, highly, highly recommend. Get that book and get it on Audible. You got to hear the voice. Get it on Audible. In any case, heard it from you first. When making offers, only 1-0.
Yeah, wow. It's a life-changing tip, to be honest with you. Who made an offer on a house today? Who made an offer on a house this week? What was your exact number? Give me your exact number. What
$250,000.
$250,000. All right. Never make that offer again. Ever. You need to offer $251,770. $249,430. I don't care how big the offer is. I will only put 10 on my offers. Okay. Most of my offers are 670 or 770 because I'm superstitious. And I can't remember which one it was, but when I started doing that years ago, I offered, like 131,670 or 131,770, and I bought the house. What it is psychological. You pull your 250 out of the air, they will think, or a certain number of them will think, hell, they just pulled a number out of the air, a low number. You go back at 251,530, a certain percent of them think, damn, they calculated down to the dollar what they can pay me. It's psychological, and it works. Now, you could do 251,532, and I know some people that do that. I don't do that. I've always put 10 on the back of my offers, and I do it on every offer. I don't care. Now, let's say I offer 251,770, and they say, I'm not taking less than 280. Now, what I'm about to describe, I could talk on for hours, but I get my calculator and I start punching. It's tight. It really is. This house needs a lot of work. Hold on. I'm trying to get you a better number. Showmanship. I already know where I can go. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna tell you the truth. Let me be cocky and arrogant here. I'm good at it. Okay. Now, when I go up from my 251,670, I go round numbers then. I've already given my, but I would never go from 251,770 to 260. I'm gonna go 253. Now, I may go all the way to 260, 265, but it's going to take me 6, 7, 8 times to get there. Y'all laugh, but it's true. That's the way I do it. Sitting at the kitchen table or at the living room couch. That's the way I do it.
Yep. I've used it.
1,860 houses doing it the other way. Now, honestly, the first year or two, I probably didn't do it like that. Probably didn't know what the hell I was doing. Just smiled and do business with me.
Please. So success, it requires hard work, but you only work half a day. You said you only work half a day. How can anyone here be successful doing what you do, only working half a day?
Only work half a day. Been that way for a long time.
How do you do it?
Well, first thing you got to decide is which 12 hours you want to work. First 12, the middle 12, or the last 12. So you only work half a day. There's a lot of people in this room smarter than me. I guarantee you there are. I think you'll be hard-pressed to outwork me. Even at my 28, I'm getting older, I'm 28 now. Even at my age now, you just can't do it. I go hard.